How to understand the energy budget changes in MacroFactor. Understanding changes in your energy budgets within MacroFactor involve recognizing how the app estimates and adjusts your energy expenditure based on your logged in data. So, how MacroFactor estimates your energy expenditure? MacroFactor calculates your energy expenditure using the fundamental principles, which is calories out equals calories in minus change in stored energy. This means the app assesses your energy expenditure by analyzing your log in calories that you enter through the log food, and uh, of course, the logged in calories intake and the trend in your body weight over time. Consistent and accurate logging of both nutrition and weights. Also, you can go here to weights and keep adding it as an example. So in the dashboard, you can scroll down and body metrics and add it each day, like your body weight. So if you keep that consistent and accurate, both like the nutrition and weights, it's very crucial for precise estimation. So if you want an example, you can start initial some adjustments wherever you want to your program. If you're not satisfied with it, you can always go here and initiate a new goal or adjust it or edit it or edit your program as example. You'll be able to also, of course, like that's depending on what you ate or what's your body weight, what's your goal. Do you want to maintain weight? Do you want to gain weight? Do you want to lose weight? And of course, you will need to understand, example, the energy balance widgets, basically, which will provide you insights on how your calorie intakes compares to your energy expenditure over, example, the past 30 days. And you can view this data always here, as example, in the dashboard. You could be able to view all the data here, especially if you are consistent in entering your weights and your food taken. So yeah, that's it basically. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.